scary Gorilla Tag ghosts that were recently found. But only East fans can like and subscribe before the crush gets away.
I went. Go check out the cosmetics. He goes. And when I got, I'm with. No, I'm done. I'm going to a public bar.
So it seems like the kid has seen the ghost, and its name is Not So Fit. First it appears in private lobbies and spawns looking at the mirror. If you touch it, it sends you to a video. Rumored to make people disappear after a few hours, then chases you. Stay safe in Gorilla Tag.